Welcome to TfL Pathway, TfL's delivery methodology. This is part of a suite of movie clips designed to give users a better understanding of how to use certain components of the methodology. All components are accessed via the TfL Pathway homepage. Search Pathway on Source to first find the Pathway source page. From there, you can access the link to TfL Pathway Home. This clip looks at the homepage features of the Product Management Plan tool. The Pathway Product Management Plan tool is accessed via the TfL Pathway homepage. Choose the Start Pathway Product Management Plan tool command, which will first click through to a landing page with some guidance and support information. By clicking the Access It Here link, you will be taken through to the Pathway Product Management Plan tool launch guidance page. If you click the Start Questionnaire button, you will be taken to the home page. The home page is where the first part of the Pathway Product Management Plan data is inputted. Populating the information boxes on this page will automatically copy the relevant data to the other parts of the plan. Firstly, you will need to choose what life cycle you will be working within: project, programme or delivery portfolio. There are some guidelines on making this choice, but the final choice is down to the project sponsor. For demonstration, we are choosing the project life cycle. Please note that once you've made a choice on this, you will not be able to adjust this later, so it is important that you make the right choice. If you choose the drop-down box to the right of Directorate, you will be able to find your delivery area listed and make an appropriate choice. Similarly, choose your programme area. In the title box, please type the title of your work. In the ID box, type a work reference or identification number. The Programme or Delivery Portfolio Manager, the Project Manager, Sponsors and other boxes have the People Picker symbols after them. Click the icon and select from the global address list those staff members fulfilling the role for the work. In the other box in particular, you have the opportunity to name stakeholders like the Project Engineer, HSE Advisor, Commercial and People Change Manager, etc. associated with the project. Please note that staff named in these boxes will automatically have the edit rights to this plan, and the project will appear in their My Projects list. In the link to Programme or Delivery Portfolio PPMP, you have the opportunity to link to a higher level PPMP, which a project may sit within. Typically, there will be documents sitting at the higher level which this plan will reference. I will leave it empty here because this is not linked to a programme. In the Stages section, you can choose which stages you will be covering with the plan. Most PPMPs assume that the flow of work moves sequentially through each stage in turn, only proceeding once a pass has been achieved at a stage gate. However, it may be appropriate to combine some stages for certain project works. An example would be combining concept and detailed design, stages 3 and 4. Similarly, in a design and build situation, it may be appropriate to combine detailed design and delivery stages, stages 4 and 5. In this instant, feasibility and some aspects of design have already been completed at programme level, so we will deselect them at project level. Programme and delivery portfolio works have a prescribed number of stages that cannot be altered. Any other notes or overview explanation can be added in the project notes box, and I am adding in a note to give further information on why I have deselected the feasibility and concept design boxes. When you are happy with the data entered into this page, click the button and the project will be started on the system. Pathway will then provide a summary screen of the information you have just entered and some recommendations around combining stages as seen here. Once you have created the work on the system, the next stage is to fill out the questionnaire, which will be covered on the next clip. This has been an overview of the Pathway Product Management Plan Tool's homepage features. Please see subsequent clips for more information on the features on other pages within the tool, and for information on using professional judgment to scale the output for your needs. Contact us on TfL Pathway at tfl.gov.uk with any queries, or search for Pathway on Source to access our site with information on the support we provide.